going E85, boys. How's it going, guys? I got some exciting news for the STI. We are going E85 on this bad boy. So basically, I know I said in the past that I wasn't gonna go E85 for a while. Maybe I was gonna hold off a year, but you know, I pulled the trigger. So we're gonna install the parts and tune it, and then we're gonna make some good power with this car. I'm hoping some good power with E85. Especially with the turbo that we have, the ground speed turbo and fully built motor and all the supporting mods like the from an intercooler, intake, downpipe, Tomei exhaust, and then the AOS from IAG and the bypass valve. But anyways, yeah, so E85 is gonna be tuned, and I can't wait to dyno tune it to see how much power this car is gonna make compared to just 91 tune. Right now it's at 91 tune. It has a 430 horsepower, 390 pounds-feet of torque, and it pulls pretty nicely. It drives fast. It's already quick enough, honestly, but I don't know. Something about E85 just made me pull the trigger. So honestly, yeah, can't wait to get this all done. But today's just an unboxing video of everything I got. So basically what we're doing is changing out the fuel lines because I do have the stock fuel lines on the car. So that's what I'm going to show you guys what I got. I got the Cobb, pretty much everything Cobb for anything that's fuel. So upgrade all that, and then once I get it all put on, get the flash tune, E85 tune the car, go get some E85, and then just start driving it around like that for a while. Then we'll finally be able to tune it on the dyno and see how much power it makes. Honestly, I think it's probably going to make around 500. Probably gain like 70 more horsepower. So let's just go ahead and show you guys everything we got for the car. Look out for the next video, and that should be the install video, and then we'll go put on that same video, get the flash tune, get the E85, and yeah. So yeah, basically this video is just me telling you what's going on with the car and showing you the unboxing. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox these parts really quick and show you guys everything that comes in this kit. All right, let's go ahead and start with this box right here. We got the Flexfuel kit. It comes with everything you need from Cobb. So basically we have all the hoses. So we got the sensor right here. And we got the hose, which is, this one is ran from the sensor to the fuel lines. That's pretty cool. And this one is to the Cobb fuel pressure regulator, and it connects to the sensor. But yeah, so it comes with this, quick disconnect. Yeah, that's all for this one. And then it comes with, on the other box, it has, I'm pretty sure it has all the wiring that's going to connect to everything to give it power. So right here we got, yeah, so these are the harness. You got the sensor right here, the bracket. So here's all the wiring. You got the harness because everything connects to TGVs and everything. So yeah, can't wait to install that. All right, and then on this box we got our fuel rails. They come with spacers. We got some small spacers and large spacers. Not sure which ones we use yet, but I will find out. So we got the fuel rails. And these are some beautiful pieces from Cobb. Everything's Cobb. So we got that. All right. I don't know why I didn't do the fuel lines and rails and everything when I got the car rebuild. Don't ask me that question because I don't even know why I didn't do it. Probably trying to save some money, I guess. But I should have just done it if I was gonna go E85 anyways. I know you don't need it. You don't need to do it, but I might as well get all the lines changed. The car did have 140,000 miles on it, so I wouldn't say it needed it, but I think it needed it. So I'm gonna do it anyways. So you got all your fuel lines. You got some short ones, some long ones, and then the breather hose one. And then on Then it comes with another Cobb thing here. All right, where's all the T? Got some lube, some T fittings, some hose clamps. Making sure I have everything in this box. Okay, that's what I was looking for. We got all the Y fittings and all that. All right, guys. Well, that pretty much completes this unboxing of everything I ordered for the car. Honestly, I can't wait to be running 85 and see what power this car makes. So once we get this all installed and ready to go, and we get it dyno tuned, then yeah, just can't wait. Honestly, the car runs good. The car feels good for 400 horsepower. It runs great for an STI. Honestly, driving in the street, it does feel pretty quick. And E85 is gonna make it a little bit more quicker. And we'll just, I don't know. We'll see how much it affects the performance. Obviously, it's gonna be better for the car. And yeah, I should have went Flexfuel, but like I said, I wanted to wait a year. But honestly, the only thing I do regret is the fuel lines and the rails. I wish I would have done that when the car was getting built. That way I could have just done the Flexfuel kit and be done. And that would have took literally a couple hours, like 1 hour probably, to install. So yeah. But yeah, this week we should have everything done. Not sure if I'm gonna do an install video. Either I'm just gonna have it all done myself without recording it, because you know, doing step by step and record it takes a lot. So I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, either way, it's gonna be on the car, and we're gonna be Flexfuel too. So honestly, can't wait. Should have been done this a while back, but you know, just wanted to see what the car can do with that turbo. But yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it, guys, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace out.